11th October 1769. After 3 days of terror, killings, theft, trespass and kidnapping, Cook and his crew decided to leave Tūranganui-a-Kiwa. Disgusted by the fact that they did not get what they wanted, they would leave us with a parting legacy of spite, renaming Te Kuri Headlands to Young Nick's Head, after the cabin boy, and changing Tūranganui-a-Kiwa to Poverty Bay, lowering us to a place of destitution, just because Cook didn't get his way. Ironically, our region is one of the most abundant in Aotearoa. As they left, we followed them to Whareongaonga, our final interaction where taonga were exchanged aboard the Endeavour. This is our collision story.